I think you look really good. You look like you're wearing shape tape and didn't, Hey y'all, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Megan, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be mixing all of our foundations together.
I have a lot of foundations myself just because I love trying new foundation. That's my favorite new makeup to play with. And so, but I have a lot more summer shades than winter shades, so and it is the middle of the winter right now. I think mine's going to be very dark. I also think it's going to have a very thick, full coverage because that's the type of foundation I go for. So mixing all those together, I think it's going to be very thick.
And then all of my foundations are also dark because I used to be the only time that I would wear foundation was to cover up my sunburn and red face and all that from the sun. And mine, I think, is going to be more of a medium coverage. So let's go mix them all.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without
So we have our foundation mixtures, and
as you just saw us mixing them.
So now we're just going to go in, we're going to put them on our face, we're going to conceal and powder and see how it comes out.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, and you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me, I don't need the booze. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will Let's take off where we started, me and you and our bodies. Hurry up and let's not waste no time. Cause I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you could be my fame. Yeah, you could be my fame. You could be my fame, yeah, yeah. I'ma keep spitting the rhymes I'm digging, yeah. And I'ma keep spinning, yeah.
like it
We
a
just
lot,
don't like
but
the color, but
I
it's too
could not
dark.
pull it off. Like, look at the difference from my face to my
Yeah.
neck. Like, I could not.
But the
If I did-
consistency and the coverage and the way it looks is good. Everything but the color, I would say.
Yeah, and even if I did like blend it all the way down my neck, then like you just couldn't do that because that's what I used to do in freshman year. Actually, I would take that Fit Me 240 that y'all saw me use, which is like super orange looking. I would take it, I'd blend it down my face, down my neck, and then use that Clinique bronzer that I still use as a powder to set it.
Yeah.
And then I would like hold up my hands to my face and,
But Megan didn't care.
you know, because I thought I was tan and looked good. So actually, let me know if y'all want to see a video of that, how we like used to do our makeup like freshman year or something.
In high school or... I mean, Megan's still in high school, but like...
My
How
makeup
we
has
used to do it.
changed, like every single year it's changed so much, honestly. Alright guys, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. This was very fun for us to film.
Yeah, we really liked it, and we really liked the outcome. We hope that you will go and watch some of our other videos and subscribe to our channel.
And like this video if you want to see us do more fun stuff like this.
Bye.
Bye y'all.